Hi guys, this is Amy from Found Things Art, and I am going to show you how to do the edging on the brim for the Vera Slouchy Hat pattern. And I have already finished my single crochet, which is on the edging for the brim, and now I'm going to begin to surface crochet. So I have slip stitched my yarn, and I am now going to take my hook, insert it in, and go up and behind a stitch, and I'm going to single crochet. And I'm going to do this at random, so there's no real right or wrong pattern. Just get creative and have fun. So literally going to go insert hook, behind stitch, yarn over, and single crochet. And I'm just going to do this in random patterns all along my brim. So insert hook, bring it up behind a stitch, yarn over, and single crochet. And if you like, you could slip stitch as well, but I want to do the single crochet. As long as you're going behind the stitch, you're going to create this gorgeous top crochet or surface crochet. And you don't have to chain in between unless you just want to. So let me give you a peek to show you what the pattern is starting to form. Okay, again, inserting hook, going up and behind a stitch, single crocheting, insert hook, go behind, and single crochet. And so really you're just going to repeat that in whatever direction you want, up, down, or you can go just in the middle. Get creative, it's fun. You can add some really good touches, unique touches to your crochet by just surface crocheting. Okay, and I will meet you back up when I am done so I can show you the finished edging. I hope you're going to get creative and have a lot of fun doing this, because it creates an awesome texture. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, and here we have our finished piece. Look at that beautiful texture. I love it. And you can also add another color if you want to get really creative and have fun. Put another color running through that. Alright, so there you go. That is the top or surface crochet part of my Vera Slouchy hat. And if you don't have the pattern, it is available on Ravelry under Found Things Art, or you can search for the Vera Slouchy Hat pattern. And you'll see all the beautiful testers who have created amazing pieces as well. So thank you so much for purchasing my pattern and having a cool hat. And at the end, I'm going to add a really cool pom-pom, or you can leave it with no pom-pom. So thank you and have a great day. Happy crocheting.